How about my boy, Thomas Rhett, right here? I taught him everything he knows, but not everything I know. You got it? So I played here a million times in the 90s, all around Tampa, Orlando, and the first time he ever played on stage was with me at Cowboys in Orlando, like in 1995. He was 4. But anyway, here's an old country song I wrote and sang for those y'all ever driven by your girlfriend's house and another truck sitting in. She's been going out with him. She's been going out with him. Then she let us know by tonight which one it would be. So I waited by the phone, but she never called me up. Had to know what was going on. So I drove by her house, and sure enough, that ain't my truck in her yard. Man, this ain't my day tonight. Looks like she's in love and that ain't my shadow. Lord, this don't look good at all, 'cause that's my girl, my whole world. That ain't my truck. Thank y'all so much. Appreciate it.
Hey, we ain't done. Listen, there's these things called ear monitors that help you hear. Dad can't hear crap right now, so we're gonna do one more.
What we're gonna do?
So Dad is the best songwriter that I've ever been around in my whole life.
What are we gonna do?
And so Dad is gonna play you one of the biggest Blake Shelton cuts he's ever had. The song's called Boys Around Here. I think you might know it.
Yeah, I wrote this song and said nobody on earth will ever record this, and of course Blake with his goofy self recorded it. So here we go. Red, 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 redneck. Well, the boys around here don't listen to the Beatles, run old both singers through a jukebox needle into honky tonk, where they boot stomp all night. What? Yeah, what they call work digging in the dirt, gotta get it in the ground before the rain come down to get paid. Get the girl in your four-wheel drive.
Boy can't survive.
Well, the boys around here drinking that ice cold beer, talking about girls, talking about trucks, running their red dirt roads out, kicking up dust. The boys around here are sending up a prayer to the man upstairs. Back was legit, don't take no lip.
Shoot her back, shoot her back, shoot her back, spit.